Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video, let's talk about shoot night photography with realme phones. We will see how to use the expert to create some beautiful images. When you are using low light exposure, the problem camera you're holding your mobile phone, you are actually slightly moving it, and all that motion of you moving actioning it items. Slow shutter speeds you really do need. To use a tripod, if you haven't tripod, you can actually buy some cheap tripods. The links will be down in the description below. You are using tripod, then use slow shutter speed and landscape. That you get best quality of your images. In this example we are setting slow shutter speed a 16-second and manual focus of 1.0. Then I am taking image and the image is too bright in quality. I have 4 best images, let's see. And I am showing you how to capture motion blur. You know, I told you what you actually use tripod. You are using tripod or hold phone with your hand is no problem, then use slow shutter speed and ISO and land space. That you get best quality of your images. In this example, we are setting slow shutter speed of 1.5 seconds or 1.3 seconds and ISO of 100 or 150 and manual focus of 1.0. The image is too beautiful, motion blur. Hope you got this. I have 6 best images, let's see.